thought I'd make the channel more interesting by buying a drone. This way I could film the Jeep, fly behind it, fly in front of it, and also possibly next summer go to the dunes and possibly film events and things like that to make the channel more interesting and for you guys to see more. Flying has always been, these drones have always been interesting to me, so I'm just going to put the two together, and I just thought it'd be a really nice way to show off Jeeps and also film events. Like maybe this year they're going to go to Lancelin again, and I would love to just film big crowds of Jeeps. It'd be great to show on the channel. So I brought the Mavic, DJI Mavic Pro. I hope it pays off. This is an expensive little box, and yeah, and one day I'll probably buy extra batteries and stuff, but this is the basic model. There's also a platinum model which has quieter wings, but I probably I'll probably be using my speech and not the sound of what this records, so I'm probably not too concerned about the sound. So yes, I will start the unpacking and see what it contains. It's quite a hefty box. I'm quite surprised how heavy it is. So anyway, I'll go and get a knife and stuff, cut it open because it's pretty well sealed across the top, and I'll show you what it looks like in the unwrapping. Okay. I wonder if there's a carry box inside as well, or if this is it. No, this is it. It's stuck. Alright, pull this out first. That feels nice actually. Before buying this, I looked at all the how-to clips and how to do it, and wow, there's a lot to learn in one to fly these. In matter of fact, the box on the back actually says 18 plus. This is not a kid's toy, and after reading all the instructions and the how-tos, how to set it up, how to fly, I mean, honestly, I was actually thinking I was learning tech, how to fly a helicopter. Your mobile phone slots into the bottom of this and that becomes your screen. I don't know a lot about it yet, but these are the antennas. I guess one's for flying and one's for the video. Apparently these are for the gimbal that adjusts the camera. These feel nice. I bought a drone before. It was about $75 from Aldi, and that thing just it wouldn't stand still, it wouldn't fly, it wouldn't position itself, and I took it outside. It was so light that the slightest breeze would just blow it across the yard, and even though the camera was quite good, you couldn't fly it, and it only went for 5 minutes and then you had to change batteries. This is a flying time of over 20 minutes. So, just quite good. The quality probably even feels better than the PlayStation controller. It feels hefty, solid, easy to hold. Even though I've got big hands, it's a good size. Alright, well there's a controller. There's a USB port there, and this is where it plugs into your phone, so the phone is connected directly, not via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. It's directed by cable. This has got an iPhone plug. That's a bit of a concern. I hope there's something that will change that. I presume. Yeah, there's a manual in here. Mavic Pro. Quick start guide in the box, safety, disclaimer, and Australian consumer law. That's good. What you have to be mindful of, buying these high-powered drones, they can go high enough to get in the way of an aeroplane. So you do have to be aware of your local laws, where you can fly and how high, etc. And possibly, I'm not sure yet, some councils may even have things against flying drones in your neighbourhood because of privacy problems. I'm not sure what the legal requirements are here, but I will find out, of course. Here we have a charger with USB ports and a massive plug with a lot of contacts. That is not for this, so I guess that's for the drone. Okay, oops. We've got a micro USB cable. Okay. And I presume this is like the little cable that connects to your phone. Yeah, here you go. This is like, that will suit my Android phone. And possibly this is a different one again for a different phone.
You're unpacking so slow.
Sorry?
Nothing.
I'm talking too slow.
Too slow unpacking.
Oh, okay, sorry. Yeah, for the different phones, so different connectors for a different phone. Because I'm excited. I don't want to just rip it all out and say this is this and this and this. Here's the 4K camera. Has a protector with it. Does seem to come off very easy. See, that's, yeah, I'm a bit, you'd want, because I think that stays on there when you're filming. I think, but I'm not sure, but that doesn't stay on there very well. But maybe it's not supposed to. Maybe that comes off when you're filming. I'm not 100% sure. This is all new to me. These fold out. And then you get, they go downwards. This thing is surprisingly heavy to stay up in the air for that long. Okay, well there's your battery with all the contact points and the charger. Yeah, that plugs onto there obviously, but I'll look it up first. So yeah, there's a cargo bay for the battery. But with the battery, wow, that is quite the weight, quite solid. And it feels cold, like it's made from aluminium, not plastic. There's sensors at the bottom, at the back. I think there's also at the back rear sensors, I thought. Or maybe that's a different model. And front sensors. So if you're flying along, you can turn on a certain mode, I was reading, and if it comes up to a tree or a wall or something, it will actually slow down and stop. And the bottom sensors are for landing. So, yeah, surprised how heavy this thing is, man. So two sets of blades are on already. Oh, here we go, under here. It's well packaged. There's a full set of blades. Oh no, not a full set, just one pair of blades for one corner. So you've got two extra blades. Two extra blades as spares. So that's the unboxing. There's nothing under here, I don't think. I will look into the manual, charge up the batteries, and show you how to crank it up. So that's the Mavic, DJI Mavic Pro unboxing as they call it. And I hope that the investment will pay off for my channels. So thank you very much for watching.